In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart color in Excel. Changing chart colors is a quick way to make your data clearer, match your brand, or simply make your presentation look more polished. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can apply it right away. Start by selecting the chart you want to update. Click directly on the chart area to make sure it's active. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with small handles around it. This selection matters because Excel only shows the chart-specific tools when a chart is active. If you don't see any chart options in the ribbon, click the chart again to make sure it's properly selected. With the chart selected, look along the top ribbon for the Chart Design tab. This tab appears only for charts, and it's where Excel keeps the quick design controls you need. Clicking Chart Design reveals options that affect the overall look and feel of your chart, including layouts, styles, and the color settings we're going to use. Next, choose Change Colors. This opens a gallery of preset color palettes designed to work well together. You'll typically see two groups: colorful, which assigns distinct colors across multiple series, and monochromatic, which uses different shades of a single hue. As you move your mouse over each option, Excel's live preview will show you how your chart would look with that palette applied. This preview is helpful for judging contrast and readability before you commit. Finally, pick the color set you like. Click once to apply it to your chart. If your chart contains multiple data series, the palette will distribute coordinated colors across each series so they're easy to tell apart. If your chart has a single series, Excel applies a focused color treatment that keeps the chart clean and consistent. Take a moment to check labels and legend entries for clarity. Good contrast between the series colors and the background makes your data easier to read. And if you change your mind, simply undo and try another palette until it feels right. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Choose palettes with sufficient contrast if your chart will be printed or viewed on different screens, and consider using the same palette across all charts in your workbook for a cohesive look. When you're happy, save your file so the new colors stick. That's it. Click the chart, open the Chart Design tab, choose Change Colors, and select the palette that best highlights your story. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clearer, more compelling charts in Excel.